I recently realized that one of the fastest ways to burn out as a solo founder is context switching. It's the mental tax you pay every time you have to switch between fundamentally different tasks. And I was hitting this wall like every day. I'd be in a great flow, finishing a client call or drafting a strategy, and then everything would grind to a halt because I had to go handle the paperwork. I'd have to stop what I was doing, open a new tab, dig through a clunky dashboard to find a template, and then manually type in a name and an email that I'd already written down 3 times. It seemed like a small task, but it feels like death by 1,000 cuts. And that constant friction of having to be the human data entry link for my own documents was killing my momentum. So today I'm showing you why I'm moving my entire document infrastructure over to SignNow. We're going to look at how their native AI integrations actually bridge the gap between a conversation and a signed contract. And I'll give you specific blueprints to automate your revenue without adding headcount. Now, before we get into the blueprints, I want to give a huge thanks to SignNow for sponsoring today's video. I've included an affiliate link in the description. Using it earns us a commission and helps the channel, which is genuinely appreciated. It's exactly what allows me to keep stress testing these AI workflows for you guys. All right, let's be honest with ourselves for a second. For the last year, most of us have been using AI as a glorified sounding board. We've all spent hours playing with these models, asking ChatGPT to brainstorm a brand name or having Claude summarize a meeting. But I noticed a pattern in my own work. The moment I actually had to do something, like get a legal commitment, the AI became useless. I was back to the old hustle of manually going through document folders, downloading, uploading, and clicking around inside the document just to fix it up. SignNow was first to market with native Claude and ChatGPT connectors, breaking new ground in AI-powered document workflows, while legacy vendors were still stuck in basic web UIs. And since launch, the connectors have been significantly enhanced with very powerful new features, setting a new standard for what's possible. So what this means is that SignNow isn't just giving you a chat with your PDF feature, they've built a system that actually executes. All right, so when I first opened their native app inside ChatGPT, what surprised me wasn't just that it could find a template, it was the fact that the AI finally had hands. I could say, draft the partnership agreement we just discussed and send it to Tom, and it actually executed that task. So if your current workflow still requires you to stop your creative flow to handle the repetitive admin task of drafting a document, you might want to start using a tool that understands intent, not just text. And if this already sounds like something you might want to try out for yourself, you can find their link in the description below. All right, so I know what you're thinking because I thought it too. Is this going to be a nightmare to set up? So I've tested integrations before that required 3 API keys and a weekend of troubleshooting. But when I went to connect SignNow to ChatGPT, I noticed something that actually gave me a bit of peace of mind. And it didn't ask me to hand over the keys to my entire account. It uses OAuth 2.1, which is basically just a secure permission slip. You aren't storing your password in the AI. You're just creating a secure encrypted bridge between the two. And for the general business owner, the setup is literally just a couple of clicks in the ChatGPT store or the Claude connectors menu. It was up and running in just a few minutes, and for the first time, my e-signatures were staying in flow with my actual work. So don't get intimidated by the AI integration label. If you can log into a website, you can set this up. And I would suggest you start with the native ChatGPT app first, since it's the easiest win for your daily routine. Now, moving into the industry-specific blueprints, I wanted to see how this setup actually holds up when you throw a real business at it. So I started looking at the most common friction points in my own history and what I'm hearing from other founders. But keep in mind that we're in a sandbox here. I'm going to show you some of the ways it can be used, but since this tech is so new, these are just the starting points for what's actually possible. All right, so for example, in a sales and revenue context, the biggest deal killer is almost always the correction loop. We've all been in that spot where a client says they're ready to sign, but then they ask for one minor change to the payment terms or the delivery date. In the old world, that meant pausing the momentum to go manually rebuild a contract. But with the SignNow integration, I watched as the AI adjusted those terms right in the chat and generated a fresh signing link in seconds. It's the purest form of faster execution that I've seen, because you aren't just sending a document, you're closing the gap between a negotiation and a legal commitment while the energy is still high. My advice advice here is to use this specifically for those mid-conversation pivots where speed is your greatest asset. Now, let's take another scenario. When it comes to HR and internal operations, the struggle is usually that constant low-level grind of chasing new hires for policy signatures or manually triggering onboarding stacks. I noticed a lot of HR managers are using this to scale without adding more admin headcount. Instead of a manual checklist, you can basically set up an automated onboarding agent. You tell the AI that a new hire is starting in the marketing department, and it automatically pulls the right offer letter, the specific remote work policy, and the equipment agreement from your SignNow templates. It turns a 30-second prompt into a fully managed workflow that ensures nothing falls through the cracks. And if you are running a team, I'd suggest grouping your standard documents into template sets so the AI can fire them off as a single professional package. And finally, there is the legal and compliance side. Most of us treat NDAs and vendor contracts as a black box of fine print that we sign and just hope for the best. But when you bridge SignNow with an AI that has eyes on the document, you suddenly have a high-speed legal clerk. You can ask the AI to summarize the indemnity clause or flag any unusual terms before you hit the sign button. It's that extra layer of intelligent review that gives a solo founder a level of protection that usually costs thousands in legal fees. So my recommendation is to never sign a document cold again. Always let the AI give you the executive summary first so you know exactly what you're binding yourself to. Now, before you go and automate your entire legal department, we need a quick reality check. Even though I'm calling this an AI-first office, you can treat this technology like an autopilot. You have to treat it like a high-speed junior assistant. The biggest risk here isn't a security breach, it's hallucination. AI is brilliant at drafting, but it can still swap a term or miscalculate a specific date if your prompt isn't perfect. So, look, my rule is simple. The AI does 90% of the heavy lifting, but you provide the final 10% of human approval. A 5-second proofread before you hit send is the difference between a professional workflow and a legal nightmare. As for the security, you're in good hands. SignNow uses OAuth 2.1. Think of it as a secure, temporary digital key instead of giving the AI your actual password. Plus, everything is backed by the same SOC 2 and HIPAA compliance that the world's biggest banks use. You get the speed of an AI startup with the security of a global corporation. Just don't forget to keep a human in the loop. Now, for those of you who are a bit more technical, maybe you're already using tools like Cursor for coding or N8N for complex automations, there is one more layer here that you need to know about. SignNow recently released their own MCP server, and this is the frontier of the frontier. It essentially means you can bake e-signatures directly into your dev environment or your custom AI agents. You can be inside your code editor and have the AI track a signature status or trigger an NDA the second a new repo is created. It takes everything we talked about today and turns it into a fully programmable infrastructure. But that is a bit advanced. It's just good to know these options are available for when you want to take AI integration all the way to the next level. All right, so in terms of the investment, SignNow is structured to be significantly leaner than the legacy giants like DocuSign, for example, especially if you're looking for a professional team setup. The business plan starts at $20 a month for your e-sig essentials, which is great for individuals, but most growing businesses are going to land on the business premium tier at $30 a month. And that is the sweet spot where you unlock features like bulk sending, personalized branding, and the ability to request payments directly into the signing flow. And if you are handling complex workflows with conditional logic or you need HIPAA compliance for sensitive data, they have the enterprise plan at $50 a month. Now, a quick pro tip. Those are the monthly rates, but you can actually save up to 60% if you do switch to annual billing. And that drops the business plan down to just $8 a month and the premium tier to $15, which is a massive discount if you know you're going to be using this long term. And if you are a high volume power user or you're building your own custom apps, they have a site license option that moves to a pay per signature model starting at around $1.50 per invite. So all in all, it is a very flexible ladder. You can start on the basic tier to get your feet wet and then scale up as your AI-first office starts to grow. All right, so look, at the end of the day, I'll tell you this very simply. For me, the decision to switch came down to one question. Do I want to be the engine of my business or the architect? If you are someone who's currently stitching your growth together with manual uploads and separate tabs, SignNow is the move. It is specifically right for the solo entrepreneur or the small team that needs to look like a 50-person agency by automating the paperwork grind. While the legacy names in this space are still focused on their traditional dashboards, SignNow has effectively moved onto the frontier by building the first native AI signing engine that actually lives where you work. To me, it's just the most logical way to stop being the manual bridge for paperwork and finally give your infrastructure the speed that it needs to keep up with your ideas. And if you do want to explore SignNow for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. And just to be transparent, that is an affiliate link. It won't cost you anything extra, but using the link helps support the channel. And if you did find this helpful, please leave a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, drop those in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.